Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use Artlist plugins in Premiere Pro. Before we start, we have the link to Artlist in the description right down below at the end of this video. Now, to use Artlist tools inside of Premiere Pro, you must first install the Artlist Hub, which acts as a central manager for the extensions and plugins. So first you'll need to download the Artlist Hub. The link to this will also be in the description, and this is the page it's going to take you to in order to have an access to the link. Once you scroll down, you're going to find this page where it says download for Mac or download for PC. So click on which applies to you. So we're going to go ahead and click on download for PC. So once it's downloaded, you're going to open the installation file and make sure you complete the installation. Once it's done, you'll be able to open the Artlist Hub. So once you open the Artlist Hub, you're going to make sure that you've signed in. If you go to the top left corner, you're going to see that my account is already signed in. If you're doing it for the first time, you'll definitely see the option to sign in. Now, once you're in, you're going to make sure you're in the Artlist library. Go ahead and click on Install Artlist Library. And once you click on it, you're going to see Install Now, or once the installation is done, you're going to make sure at this point to close and open your Premiere Pro once again. So it is important to have your Adobe closed while this installation is taking place. Once it's done, you can activate it in Premiere Pro by opening Premiere Pro once again. Now right here on Premiere Pro, once it's opened again, you're going to go over to the top menu and select Window. So click on Window, and then you're going to see that Extensions is now active. Previously, if you did not have any hub or the library, you won't be having this. So in any case, you want to go to Extensions under Window, and then click on Artlist Library. So now that it's loaded up, you can see you have your asset library right here, music, footage, and sound effects. Now, of course, you're not seeing the plugins right here, and we just want to remind you that if you have an Artlist Max subscription, you also get access to 50 professional plugins where you can use it for transitions, color grading, and VFX. So now that this is fine on Premiere Pro, we're going to close this window, and then we're going to open the Artlist Hub once again. Now here in the Artlist Hub, you're going to make sure to go over to plugins. Now here in the plugins, you can see all types of plugins where you can use on your Premiere Pro. Again, if you're having the Artlist Max subscription, you see the option to download any of these plugins in order to use them on your Premiere Pro. So once you download one of them, you're going to go over to your Premiere Pro, and then under Effects, you're going to go to Video Effects, click on the drop down, and you'll see Artlist right here. Now let's say that this is one of them. You're just going to click and hold on it and drag it over to the clip and place it right there. And you can see the difference of the effect that has been applied to our video. So this is simple as finding the effect on your effects panel and then dragging the desired effect onto the clip. The Artlist extension for Premiere Pro is a powerful workflow tool that eliminates the need to switch between your browser and your editor. By integrating your library directly into your workspace, you can maintain your creative flow and test assets in real time. Don't forget to check out the link to Artlist in the description below in order to make effective use of these features. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.